Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So guys, in this video we will see the issue of speaker problem in iPhone 16 and 16 Pro Max. So guys, if you are facing the issue that your iPhone and iPhone 16 Pro Max speaker is not producing any sound and are completely blank, here are the few fixes that you can try. So guys, the first step, you have to check that your phone is not on the silent mode. Okay, so this is the mode button. You can keep on pressing it and check if it is on silent. You have to press it and make sure it is at the ring. After this guys, you have to check your volume levels. Okay, ensure that the volume is turned up. You can use the physical button. Okay, from here, from the control center, make sure it is at the full level, and from the settings, go to sound and haptics and make sure that it is also at the full level. Okay, and guys, one thing I want you guys to know is that when you have ringtone and alerts at full volume and this change with button option also turned on, so what happened when you reduce the media volume, such as if you are listening to a song and you try to lower the volume, it also lowers your ringtone and alerts volume. So my advice is to keep it at full and turn this feature off. So when you increase or lower the media volume, it do not affect ringtone and alert volume also. Okay, so guys, you can also do this setting. And also guys, make sure that your speakers, as these are your speakers, are clean and are free from dirt and debris. And if you notice that the speaker has accumulated dirt, you can use a soft brush and avoid using sharp object to clean the speakers. And guys, sometimes what happens is that your cover and your case creates the issue of speaker. So make sure that the case that you are using is also providing your phone to ventilate and do not causing it to overheat. Okay, and blocking your phone speakers. And guys, sometimes what happen is that when your phone have the Bluetooth on, okay, when your phone have Bluetooth on, it connects to a device that is nearby you, so the sound is directed to that Bluetooth device and your phone will not work on speakers anymore. So make sure that when you are using your phone and want to use its own speaker, no Bluetooth device, no headphones, so make sure that your Bluetooth is completely turned off. Okay, so it avoids the accidental connections with the Bluetooth devices. And guys, also check for the hardware issues. Sometimes your phone get damaged. Okay, check the body of your iPhone that it is not damaged, or also make sure that your phone is away from water and moisturized place. Okay, so because that also affects your phone speakers. So guys, you can go into the setting, and from settings go to general, scroll to the end and you will see transfer and reset iPhone. From here, reset, and you can also try to reset all your settings. It will not affect your saved data, photos, picture and any other thing. This will reset all your settings as well as your speaker sound settings to its default and might help you to resolve your problem. Okay, so you can do this also. I hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.